we have it. And of course, si Earl, napaka-pogi. And here joining with you is the rest of the cast of I'm Perfect. Anong masasabi niyo sa lahat ng sumuport na ngayong Pasko?
Okay, thank you. Next.
Masa hindi ko thank you sa'yo?
Director nakablock. Naman si
Alam niyo hindi
Okay, next.
dito ka lang. Triangle tayo, triangle.
Hi guys!
Okay, I have a question. I just have a question. What are you looking forward to?
Koyan, si Tita Sylvia, the director.
Sana panalo kayo ng mga awards. Sino pang inaabangan nyo ngayon? Kasama ka ng katos.
Yes, okay. Smile.
Earl and
Sigan,
Crystal,
sigan.
congratulations guys. I'm sure you are very proud and very happy with the outcome. And joining you as well, we have Zijan.
Zijan,
Perfect.
Zijan, please join us here.
Earl and Crystal, you guys can head on inside. Enjoy the rest of your night.
Dito rin po, one more.
Thank you. So we just spoke to Zijan, to Earl and Crystal about, of course, I'm Perfect. Ngayon pala, congratulations. And of course,
ikaw muna.
Is there any message you have for those that are about to watch the film or have already supported the film?
Gusto ko lang sabihin dun sa mga hindi pa nakakapanood,
Direct dito
sana
rin po.
supportahan at panoorin po ninyo and magbaon kayo ng tissue,
Tita Evia.
maraming tissue kasi
Direct
nakakatawa
Tita
talaga
Evia.
ang Perfect at may inspire po kayo. Para naman
No,
sa
direct,
mga nakapanood
kalupukan
na,
muna.
maraming salamat din. Sa suporta po ninyo dahil malaking bagay po para sa mga lead namin at sa mga co-actors po namin na may Down
Dito rin po,
syndrome.
one more.
Yung suporta ninyo, yung the fact lang na panoorin niyo po sila ay malaking bagay na po yun para sa kanila. Kaya maraming salamat.
Thank you,
Tita Evan
Zijan.
Tolo mo.
Congratulations again.
Tita
Please
Evan
head on
Tolo.
inside, enjoy the rest of your night. And of course, we have Miss Silvia Sanchez
Ayan.
here on the blue
Tita
carpet.
Evan, one
And
more
of
here.
course,